Welcome to our video where we're going to enlighten you with a solution to a common problem in maintenance and operations teams, the dreaded siloed knowledge. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this session, we'll explore the consequences of siloed knowledge and how to overcome it through effective documentation practices. You'll learn the importance of investing in technical writers, the role of a robust knowledge base, and how to integrate documentation into a computerized maintenance management system. Let's break down these walls of siloed knowledge together. Have you ever heard the term siloed knowledge? It's the kind of knowledge that gets passed around a facility by word of mouth alone. The problem with this is that the wealth of procedural knowledge and failure solutions doesn't exist in a physical form. But don't worry, this can be fixed by implementing pristine documentation practices. Let's start with one of the best ways to avoid siloed knowledge: investing in technical writers. It's not the best idea to expect engineers and line workers to do all procedural documentation. Usually these workers are far too busy to document their procedures, which is what leads to siloed knowledge in the first place. No one has the time to create the documents that are then used to train employees, so they learn by watching and listening. Here's where a technical writing team dedicated to procedure documentation comes in. This team can alleviate this burden from other employees. This has two benefits. It allows engineers and workers to focus on their jobs while giving your facility a knowledge base of procedure docs to draw on. Now, in order for training documentation to be useful, it needs to also be accessible. If training docs and procedures are hidden away on someone's hard drive, they aren't being used to train, which keeps siloed knowledge in circulation. Instead, you should invest in a knowledge base and find ways to publicize this knowledge to employees. Constantly refer to the documentation, attach it to work orders, and provide incentives for correct procedural use. Lastly, let's talk about implementing documentation into your computerized maintenance management system. One great feature of computerized maintenance management system software is the ability to attach documents to work orders and dispatches. It's much easier for an employee to access this documentation out in the field if it's attached to the work order they're responding to. This also kills two birds with one stone. Not only does the siloed knowledge disappear, but it also makes sure the procedures are done 100% correctly. Remember, siloed knowledge can sometimes have gaps or inconsistencies that skew results. So there you have it. By investing in technical writers, creating and publicizing your knowledge base, and integrating documentation into your computerized maintenance management system, you can effectively document your maintenance process and avoid siloed knowledge. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered how to overcome siloed knowledge by investing in technical writers, creating a robust knowledge base, and integrating documentation into your computerized maintenance management system. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information about our solutions, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you break down the walls of siloed knowledge in your organization.